Welcome to Sachin Study Tech. Today topic is assignment operators. So here the single equal to is called as a assignment operator. Here for example x equal to 10. So the 10 is assigned to x variable. So x is a variable. Here the 10 is a value, integer value. That integer value is assigned to x variable. So this equal to operator, single equal to operator is called as a assignment operator. Assignment operator. So what are the value is there in right side, that value is assigned to the left side variable. Maybe here also we can assign x equal to a. So here a equal to 10, the 10 value is assigned to a and a is assigned to x. So x is a variable, here a is also variable, so you can assign that variable to x. So this is the assignment operator. Here also you can use add and assign. What is the meaning of that? For example, I am taking a equal to 10. So a equal to 10, here a equal to a plus 10. For example, I am using a plus 20 here. So what is the value of a? If we can print a, the value is a is 10, 10 plus 20, that is 30, right? So instead of using a and a, here directly can use a plus equal to 20. So what is the meaning of here? It is, you can use here plus and equal to. So compound operator he can use more than one operator here in this expression. Here then what is the meaning of that? So you can assign 20 here. First you can add that value. You can see add and assign. So if you can add the value to the a and assign to a. So here also the output is 30, right? The same thing here also you can perform. For example, a equal to 20 here. Then a minus equal to 10. Here shorthand notation. Okay, the same here. What are the expression? Here it is. First you can subtract 20 minus 10, that is 10. 10 is assigned to a. If you can print a value which is 10. So same thing here. You can write here a minus 10. Both are same. A minus equal to 10 or a equal to a minus 10. So both are same, but instead of writing a and a two times, you can use a shorthand notation. That's why a minus equal to 10. Like that here also all operator, what are the arithmetic operators is there, you can all arithmetic operator can use assignment with the combination of assignment operator. Now we can see so you can see the example here. A equal to 10. So a 10 is assigned to variable a, right? If we can print a, so which is 10. Here you can see which is 10. For example, in this case a equal to a plus 5, a plus 5. So that is 10 plus 5, that is 15. The value is 15, right? So a value is 15. Just if you can print, so a value is 15. Instead of writing this, so you can use like this, plus equal to 5. Here also same thing. First you can add the value to a and assign the value to a. So that is 15. So like this you can use. Here it is, for example, you can use a minus equal to, right? For example, a into, so here you can see that is 10 into 5, 50. So 50 is assigned to a, right? So here by a by equal to 5, right? Here also 10 by 5, that is 2.0. Always the division operator always return float value, right? So here you can use the floor division, right? You can use floor division. You know already what is the floor division, right? Here you can use the modulation operator. Here it is a modulation operator. The remainder, it is remainder. What is the division and modulation and floor? You know already. Just you have to see the one example, then you can understand here. Here the power operator, right? Here power operator, a double star equal to 5, that is 10 power 5, right? power operator or exponent operator. Now you can see the example here, then you can understand. For example, here what is the 10 by 3, what is the value, right? 10 floor 3, what is the value? Then 10 modulation operator 3, what is the value? Now you can see here it written the quotient, right? So how can so here you can see 3 3s are 9, remainder 1. So here it can return 3, that is quotient, right? So that is always return the floating point value, that's why 3.0. Now you can see in this case you can return the floor value, that is nearest integer. Actually what is the value here? 10 by 3, what is the value? So here it is 3 point, right? For example 3.3, right, like this. So what is the nearest down to integer value here? That is 3. So that's why it written 3 here. You can see what is the value here. So in this case the remainder is 1. So here the modulation returns the remainder, that's why it is 1. You can see that here print 10 by 3, what is the value here? If we can print that, what is the value? 3.33 and so on, right? So you can use that here. Floor division, what is the value here? Floor division of 3, right? Here it is 3. So you can use the modulation operator here in this case. So it return the remainder, that value is 1. Okay, you know what is the power and so here you can see, for example I am taking 2, a equal to 2, right? A double star, for example 3. So what is the meaning of this? It is what type of operator here? Which is power operator or exponent operator, right? Exponent operator. What is the meaning of that? So which is the meaning is 2 cube, so that is 2 power 3, so that is 8. The value is 8, right? The value 8 is assigned to a, that's why if we can print a, the value is 8. So and also here you can use the a star equal to 2. So what is the meaning of that a star equal to 2? So a equal to, for example 3, in this case 3 into 2 6. If you can print a, value is 6, right? The same star operator you can use the repeater operator. So what is the repeater operator? For example, you have the string here Satyam, right? For example star and 2. What is the meaning of this? The Satyam is printed on 2 times, right? 2 times it can print Satyam and Satyam, right? So not only string, here also you can print. For example, we have the list consisting of 10 and 20. In this case also you can use, for example 2. What is the meaning of that? Here 10 20, here you can print the 2 times. Now we can see here, for example I am using here a double star equal to, here it is for example 3, right? So what is the a value? A value is 2. Now if you can print that a value which is 2 power 3, that is 8, right? You can see that output here. If you can see that output here, which is 8, right? So for example in this case I am using, for example a equal to I am using string here. What is the meaning of star here? A star 2. What is the meaning? Here it is a string, right? So string into 2, that means here what are the string is there, you can repeat 2 times, right? Not only string, here I am consider, for example here I am consider some list 10 comma 20 comma 30, right? For example this list is there. So here into 2, what is the meaning of this? The 10 20 30 can print 2 times, 10 20 30 10 20 30, like that. Okay, so here the star operator act as a Star operator act as what type of operator here? The star operator is a repeater operator, right? For example, if we can try to here a the same thing here, a star equal to for example 2. So what is the meaning of a value here? What is the meaning of a value? So if we can see that, what is the meaning? Such is printed on 2 times, right? Here I am taking some, for example 10 comma 5 comma 38, right? This is the tuple, what is the meaning of this? The tuple is printed on 2 times, right? 10 5 38 and 10 5 38, like that. So here the star operator act as a repetition operator. So for example both are same, that is here also take that value here integer, for example 5. In this case you can perform the multiplication, right? 5 into 2, so that is 10. Here you can print the 10. But different type, that is list or tuple or string, in that cases here you can repeat it, the star operator act as a repeater operator. Then you can how many times you can repeat? Here you can give the 2, so that's why you can repeat 2 times. Okay, so that is the concept.